Hi everyone, CMA Final Law just got better with a new edition of my books. Ideally, this is my 10th edition, but 3rd edition of new syllabus. Ma'am, what's new? What's exciting? Come, let's unbox and discover this. But first, look at the packaging. The bright, strong box that helps your books reach your doorstep absolutely intact. So this is a set of 7 books and here we open it. Wow. First of all, let's have a look at some beautiful goodies that you get along with it. 2 bookmarks. There's one highlighter. There is a self-notes copy. Now, this is a set of 7 books. Let me first take them out and then I'll take you through all of them quickly with their special features. So here I'm keeping the box aside, the goodies also aside, and these are the 7 books. Volume 3, Volume 2, and this is Volume 1. So we begin with Volume 1, that is Corporate Laws. So first thing, this particular book is according to ICMA syllabus, completely according to that syllabus. I'll take you through the index first because I want to show you something special that I have over here. See, there are 4 appendix wherein you get list of important sections, penalty chart, matters requiring OR, SR, and the list of important forms, right? So this comes as an added advantage. The entire book is in tabular format. There are many places where the keywords are highlighted and underlined for you to identify them, right? It is in simplified language. Of course, there are some places where illustrations have been added for better understanding. There are some places where extra shots for knowledge only are added for the curious students. Now, never think that the main books can be replaced by any compact book. You're here to build a career and not read a novel. So this detailed, in-depth knowledge with practical insights are a must. You can always check out my classes for an enriching and unforgettable experience of this subject. Now moving to volume number 2. This is again the main book covering the chapters of economic laws. In the same manner, this book also has been designed. Right, moving to volume 3 and volume 4. Now these 2 books are chart books. Now they have been designed in such a manner that it does not only help you revise what you have read, but it lets you recall the entire flow of chapters and provisions because I have made them, they are completely handwritten, colored chart book. But look at the flow. It will help you understand the provision that, okay, this happens, then this happens. If this happens, then this happens, right? The process of incorporation. So it will help you understand the entire flow of provisions. Of course, it aims to have a good coverage, but 90%, 100% cannot be covered. These books have proved to be of immense utility to our past students. You can have a look at this chart book also. This is the economic law chart book that we have, right? Okay, now moving to the next book. Volume number 5 is Corporate Laws Question Bank and volume number 6 is Economic Laws Question Bank. So these 2 volumes are the question banks. Now, what is the question bank, ma'am? How they have been designed? See, question bank, you will find the questions from the study material also. You will find MCQs also. You will find questions from past year MTPs, MQPs also. And you will find questions which have been asked past in examination also. Right, so we have past year questions, we have MCQs, we have case studies also. There are certain class questions which I deal in, which are difficult. See, there are more practice questions. See, these are the class questions. So these questions are some difficult case studies which help you analyze and develop your interpretation ability also. So these are the questions that I take up in class and they are chapter wise. They are self-explanatory. Answers are being given. The MCQs also have the suggested answers. right? So this is chapter wise, and then we have economic laws question bank. Again, it is chapter wise, and everything has been given in such a manner, right? And here comes now the surprise. What is the surprise, ma'am? Surprise is this volume 7 test series. How does it come as a surprise? Well, the most problem or the most difficult thing that students find in law is, ma'am, they don't know how to write answers because they don't basically practice it, and they don't know how to practice and when to practice, from where to practice. So after you have completed chapter, like we have total 14 tests included in this test series. See, supposedly test 1, it covers 2 chapters, company formation and conversion and investment and loan. So once you're done with these 2 chapters, you have to attempt the first test, and then you will see that the suggested answers are also given. So when I take you through the suggested answer, you can see that the suggestive marking scheme is also provided, that okay fine, if you write this particular thing, you can avoid yourself with 1 mark, and accordingly you can judge your preparation. So these are chapter wise tests. Then we have lastly full syllabus test. So you can appear for this, and I'm sure experiencing this with me will definitely make you fall in love with law. Thank you.